Hi, ladies and gentlemen, and parent teachers, Dr. Mendenall here, and I would like to go over problem solving. It says strategy, make a table, and this is on page 455 of volume 1. This is chapter 7, lesson 3. I love working with tables. Tables and graphs are going to be part of your life for the rest of your life. I mean, think about it. We look at them every time we have a Scholastic Weekly Reader, one of those Let's Find Out magazines. There's usually a table on the back with activities to do, or there's a table in the reading that explains something. And this way, we get to use it for math. So here is going to be our work area, where we're going to put in our number of objects. On your pages, it has the same object with different colors. Well, I can't change my colors, so I'm going to use 2 different objects each time. Down here, I have my graph. I only have 2 sections. This will be section 1, and this will be section 2. And that's why I'm only going to use 2 different shapes, and that's why you're only going to have shapes that have 2 colors, okay? So, let's do the stamping part. So I'm going to put a number of objects on here in my box. Kind of fun. Oh, let's use some arrows this time. I don't think I've shown you the arrows yet. So I need to show how many arrows I have and how many stars I have. And one of the ways we can do this is with a graph, because we can look and see how many we have. Now, when I like to do graphing and I'm having to count, I like to mark each one that I've counted so I don't count something twice. I also like to count in the same way that we read. I like to start over here at the left and work across the page. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and over here we have number 8. So down here, I'm going to write an 8 in this box. Okay, so now we need to see how many blue arrows we have, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I see 6. So let's double check. Do we have a mark on every one of the shapes? Yes, they all look like I put a little mark there. I didn't scribble any of them out. I just put a mark. And then I counted that there were 8 stars and there were 6 arrows. Now, does that seem reasonable? I mean, look, does it kind of look like there's more stars than there are arrows? Yeah, it does. So my answer is probably reasonable. Do you think I should check, or do you think it's okay? Well, checking doesn't hurt. Let's look at the arrows first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This time I counted from a different direction. And my stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there really are 2 more stars than there are blue arrows. So this is how we can use a table to help us organize our information. We call it data, okay? So we just made a table. You're going to do the same thing as you work through these problems in this problem solving section, and you're going to see in the future, you're going to use tables all the time. So better to learn it now, right? All right, see you later.